hard, sustainable tips for real results. Losing weight in just 1 week might sound ambitious, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can absolutely kickstart your journey and see real changes both on the scale and in how you feel. While lasting weight loss takes time, these tips will help you reduce bloating, shed excess water weight, and build momentum for a healthier lifestyle.
1. Set clear, realistic goals. The first step to successful weight loss in a short time frame is clarity. What do you want to achieve in 1 week? Losing 1 to 2 kilograms, 2 to 5 pounds in 7 days is reasonable and healthy. Focus on fat loss, not just weight loss. Losing water weight or muscle mass isn't the goal. Be clear about your why. More energy, fitting into an outfit, kickstarting a long-term journey. Setting an intention will help you stay motivated and focused. 2. Cut out processed carbs and sugar. One of the fastest ways to drop weight is by reducing simple carbohydrates and sugar. Why it works? Processed carbs cause water retention and blood sugar spikes. Cutting them helps your body burn stored fat for energy. Do this. Eliminate white bread, pasta, candy, sugary drinks and chips. Eat whole foods, vegetables, lean proteins, nuts and seeds. Replace soda with water, herbal tea or black coffee. 3. Focus on high protein, low carb meals. Protein is your best friend when it comes to short-term weight loss. Benefits: keeps you full longer, boosts metabolism, helps preserve muscle while burning fat. Meal ideas: grilled chicken salad with avocado, eggs and sautéed spinach for breakfast, salmon with steamed broccoli and olive oil. 4. Drink more water, a lot more. Hydration is crucial not just for health, but also for weight loss. Why? Water flushes out excess sodium and toxins. Drinking water before meals reduces appetite. Staying hydrated prevents mistaking thirst for hunger. Tips: start your day with a glass of lemon water. Carry a reusable bottle and sip regularly. Aim for 2.5 to 3 liters per day. More if you're exercising or sweating a lot. 5. Daily workouts. Focus on HIIT plus strength. In 1 week, your workout plan should combine fat-burning cardio and muscle-toning strength training. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. 20 to 30 minutes per session, 4 to 5 days a week. Burns more calories in less time. Boosts metabolism for hours after the workout. Strength training helps build lean muscle, which burns more calories at rest. Focus on full body exercises. Squats, push-ups, planks, lunges. Don't forget, add a 15 to 20 minute walk daily, especially after meals. Stretch and cool down to reduce soreness. 6. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Sleep is often overlooked, but it directly affects your weight. Poor sleep increases cravings for sugar and fatty foods, lowers energy and motivation for exercise, impairs metabolism and fat burning. Tips: go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Avoid screens 30 minutes before bed. Use blackout curtains or a sunglass. 7. Reduce bloating with smart food choices. In just 1 week, losing belly bloat can make a huge difference in how your clothes fit. Avoid some-handed processed foods. Dairy, if you're lactose sensitive. Carbonated drinks and gum may cause gas. Cruciferous vegetables like slows metabolism and affects sleep. If you do drink, limit it to 1 glass per week or skip it altogether during this 7-day plan. 12. Try intermittent fasting. If you're up for it, intermittent fasting can accelerate results. Common method: 16 to 8. Fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. For example, eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Fast the rest of the time. Benefits: reduces insulin levels, increases fat burning, controls calorie intake naturally. 13. Stay busy and avoid emotional eating. Eating out of boredom or stress is a common trap. Tips: keep your hands and mind busy with a book, hobby, or walk. Call a friend instead of reaching for a snack. Practice meditation or breathing techniques to manage stress. 14. Measure progress without obsessing over the scale. The scale doesn't always tell the full story, especially in just 1 week. Track instead how your clothes fit, your energy levels, progress photos, inches lost from waist or thighs. 15. Stay consistent and celebrate small wins. Even in a short time frame, consistency is key. Don't beat yourself up over one slip dash up ... Focus on the big picture. More energy, better sleep, clearer skin. Celebrate every healthy choice. Each one brings you closer to your goal. Final thoughts: 1 week can spark a big change. You won't completely transform your body in 1 week. You can absolutely feel leaner, lighter, and more in control. These small changes compound over time. Think of this week as a jump-starter boost of motivation that proves to yourself: you've got this. Remember, eat clean, move daily, hydrate